Gold against US dollar. Yesterday has rise in value, and we can see after the price formed this bearish breakout on a Friday, forming strong bearish engulfing candle on Friday, where the price has gone through several support level. This one 2356.22 and the second one 2329.13. The price stopped just below this support level, this demand zone, but the price yesterday on a Monday has visited back up, returning above the very important critical resistance level, which means 2329.13. We can see that the price has formed this bullish candle, returning all the way back up, and the price has closed above the previous open and close candle prices. We can see that here, and in the past these ones here, these ones here, and these ones here, which is suggesting the bullish breakout currently formed on the chart, which is invalidating the previous engulfing candle and also bearish breakout on the Friday that has been formed. Now this is a little bit tricky situation because we have a bearish breakout on a Friday with strong bearish candle suggesting further decline down, and a small bullish candle which is a bullish breakout on a Monday, which is suggesting further rise in value. So currently we can see that the price is dropping down for the last several hours, and it is currently at the very important support level. And there we can see we have a trend line which is currently acting as a resistance for the price. So for now, what I can see, currently the price is suggesting further rise in value, but this position here, because of this bullish breakout, this bearish breakout, now this bullish breakout, something's happening currently on the market, which is a very important price level currently here at the current resistance and support level for the price, which is 2329.13. Now for the further, I will wait for today, for this day, to see how the price will behave, where the price will close, where it will go on the lower time frames, which is 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. For example, these, what you can see here, where I shared the details with the traders, where the price will go on the smaller scale, which means on the small time frames, which is 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. The Telegram channel is open for everybody. The link will be below in the description, but you can see how it is informed about the trading situation currently on the market, and also what is the support and resistance levels for the price, what the price will do. After the price makes a breakout, bullish or bearish, I'm also sharing the idea what will be the next target where the price is heading. For example, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that yesterday the idea was that the price is moving, first reaching 2329.13, which has been reached this here. This is the scenario where the prices reach this area. Now this was a scenario for the yesterday, and then after that, at the end of the day, we can see a bullish breakout about 2329.13 with the target 2333, which has been formed and it has been reached. So this is something that I share with the traders about each day, what is happening on the 1-hour time frame and the 4-hour time frame where the price could reach. Now for today, we will see what is happening on the lower time frames, but for now I will wait for the day to see how the price will close, because the daily candle will show me is this bullish breakout from the yesterday is very important, or this bearish breakout with the bearish engulfing candle is much stronger than the yesterday bullish candle. So this is something I will watch for today, and I will share with details with the traders inside the Telegram group about all the details, and also what is available breakout currently on the market and where the price will move in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.